Hi, and welcome to Stamp with Ginny. Today I'm going to share with you how to cut this one sheet wonder from a 6x6 piece of designer series paper. This pattern will make 4 projects. So let me set this aside and I'll show you how to get started. I'm going to show you how to cut the one sheet wonder. This is a great, quick and easy one sheet wonder for a 6x6. I've taken my 12 by 12 and cut it into a 6 by 6, and now I'm ready to start cutting it for my cards. So I am going to set this on the 4 1/4 inch mark and make my first cut. Once I have that done, I'm ready to make my second cuts. So I'm going to take my 2 pieces here and set them to the side and start with my 1 3/4 inch piece. So I'm going to set this on the 5 1/2 inch mark and cut, and that piece is finished. I'm going to bring over the 4 1/4 inch piece and I'm going to turn it on its side and cut it at the 2 inch mark. And at that point, this piece is finished. And I'm going to bring this 4 1/4 by 4 piece in, and I am going to set this on the 4 inch mark. So I'm going to have just a little sliver of waste, this 1/4 inch piece. There we go. Once I have my piece cut down to 4 by 4, I'm going to turn it on the diagonal, and I am going to line the point up on the little groove here on my trimmer. You can get one in place and then just kind of swing the other down until you get it in place, and then drop your arm and run your trimmer across. There we go. So I've got my pieces cut and I'm ready to start assembling. And of course, these 2 small pieces are discarded and you don't need those for your projects. And of course, if you'd like any of these products, feel free to stop by my online store. You can get there from my blog, Stamp with Ginny. Thanks for joining me.